Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn an image into a URL and get a direct image link for free. So let's get started. First of all, open Google Chrome on your phone. Then in the search bar, here you type Postimages and search for it. Now tap on Postimages official website at the top of the search results. Then tap on Choose Images. After that, tap on Files. Now select a photo which you want to upload. Wait a few seconds for the upload to finish. Once the upload is complete, just scroll down. Then you will see several link options. Here, tap on the copy icon next to the direct link section. And that's it. Now your image has been converted into a direct URL link and you can share it anywhere you want. For example, I will share this link on WhatsApp. So open WhatsApp and paste the link into the chat. Then send it. Now if my friend taps on the link, the image will open directly in their browser. As you can see, the image opens directly in the browser. And they can also download the photo by tapping the download original image button. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.